There's something exciting yet relaxing about waterfalls. They are a reminder of nature's power, but also places for daydreaming, wading, and washing your worries away. With that in mind, we went in search of some easy waterfalls that anybody can view just south of the Smokies.
Hey folks, in Mingo Falls in North Carolina.
That's right, Mingo Falls, just outside of Cherokee, North Carolina. It's only about a quarter-mile hike up to get to it, but it is all up these steps right here.
Mingo Falls means Big Bear Falls in the Cherokee language. It is located on Big Cove Road, just east of the town of Cherokee, beside the Mingo Falls campground. The trail itself is called the Pigeon Creek Trail. It's just over a quarter-mile hike to the viewing bridge. Bring your camera and enjoy this 120-foot cascading waterfall.
Mingo Falls.
Short walk, big payoff. We are in Soco Falls at Cherokee Reservation.
That's right, Soco Falls is located just off of Highway 19, just a few miles east of the town of Cherokee.
Soco Falls is also located on the Cherokee Reservation on Highway 19, about 1.5 miles west of the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a short but steep walk to the viewing platform, where you can see the taller of the falls best, with the smaller one to the left. The main waterfall cascades down about 120 feet, but the upper portion is often hidden behind foliage. There is a very rugged trail to continue down to the base of the falls, but people have fallen trying to get down.
You can certainly see the beauty of Soco Falls. Another easy one here south of the Smokies.
We are now at Looking Glass Falls.
That's right, we're at probably one of the easiest to view waterfalls. We're in Pisgah National Forest.
Looking Glass Falls is the easiest of all to view, which makes it quite popular and one of the most photographed waterfalls in the South. Located on Highway 276 in the Pisgah National Forest, approximately 10 miles south of the Blue Ridge Parkway, you'll have a view of this 60-foot waterfall as soon as you step out of your car. Head down the steps for a closer view and perfect pictures.
So while viewing the waterfall, Catfish and I were looking at this rock formation to its side. Now it's carved out almost in the form of an arch. And I swear I could see sunlight coming through the crack right in there. If that is indeed sunlight, then that is truly an arch.
We are now at Sliding Rock.
That's right, still in Pisgah National Forest. We're at the Sliding Rock Recreation Area here. We're going to check out this Sliding Rock Falls, which during the summertime is a very popular area. People come and, you guessed it, slide down the waterfall.
Sliding Rock Falls is a recreation area in the Pisgah National Forest, located on Highway 276, about 7.5 miles south of the Blue Ridge Parkway. A boardwalk leads to several viewing areas of this 60-foot waterfall that slides down a flat, sloping boulder.
So in the summer, when this is a very active swimming hole, you can see where the swimmers would cross across the bottom, go up the railing up to the top of the falls, and slide right on down. And the pool is usually about 8 feet deep, and the water is around 55 degrees year-round. What do you think about that, Catfish?
Pretty neat how it's just like how swiftly it is.
Right?
Like just how swift out everything is.
Sure. It may not be the biggest waterfall in the area, but I'll bet it's one of the most popular in the summer.
Yep. Let's check out Soco Falls.
For our fifth and final easy waterfall hike south of the Smokies, we are in DuPont State Forest. It's the furthest away from the Smokies. It's about an hour's drive south of the Cataloochee area. But DuPont State Forest is a waterfall lover's dream.
Hooker Falls is in DuPont State Forest, located 13 miles southeast of Brevard, North Carolina. It is an easy quarter-mile hike to the upper view of the falls, and a quick walk down for a closer view of this 14-foot-high waterfall. DuPont State Forest has many waterfalls, but only Hooker Falls has an area for swimming, at your own risk, of course. Hooker Falls also was seen on the silver screen in the 1992 movie The Last of the Mohicans.
Hooker Falls, our final of our 5 easy waterfall hikes south of the Smokies. Catfish, would you say which one would be your favorite of those 5?
Mine personally would be Looking Glass because of like how tall it looks and like the ferns and algae and such.
Yeah, with the arch right behind it. That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, all of them are awesome. Also, all of them are easy to get to, so take your choice. Go see a waterfall, take a hike, get into the mountains. Till next time, peace out.